Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this quick unboxing, quick video of the LG V20. It's in the title. This is the box that it came in. Some information here that was sent to me, the price, the shipping, and Cellular Gallery is the name of the third-party seller. This is where I came across this specific LG V20. Got some information right there. I'll leave a link down below in the description area. Recently, I brought in the Flex. Used to have the Flex back in the day. I actually found the case that went to that specific device that I traded in to use the money for a different smartphone. I don't remember what smartphone it was, but this one came in from China, and it works great. So I'm going to get some screen protectors, and I do have another case coming too, so I think it's from Incipio. Super stoked to have the LG Flex, and some of you might be wondering why would I bring in another LG V20. Well, that's because this guy right here, it's been used and abused. It's created a lot of content, a lot of great content. And at some point it will go kaput, and it's already starting to show signs of that. So I wanted to have a backup V20 to create the content that I do. Any smartphone that I bring in for the team, I use to create content as well. That's part of the reviewing process. Right now I'm using the OnePlus 9 Pro to shoot this video with, and it's going through part of the reviewing process. Sooner or later, I'm going to give you a few weeks update video, and this will be part of that update. So you let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. So yeah, no smartphone that I bring in gets a pass in that area. It's got to go through that. But most of my content is on the V20. So let's go ahead and get into this box here. Life is good. This is the V20, and okay, got a little charger here, so that's nice. It's LG. Put that right there. Here, USB Type-C cable right here. Nice. The battery, life's good when you play more. So hopefully there's a lot of juice in here. I'll have to charge it all the way up and use it. So I will be using this smartphone for a little bit. I'm going to put my T-Mobile SIM in there, being that it's an AT&T unlocked phone. Should work properly with this device. But I just got to make sure everything works the way it should, according to the description and what the seller told me. So, and then once I'm satisfied, I will, give them the final shout out. And yeah, you can see the AT&T logo right there, V20 right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the battery in, and okay, and then the back. Let me wipe that down. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. Get the, order in a new case. And you can see the difference between these two. T-Mobile, AT&T. Very nice. Okay, and we want to make sure we have some juice. I have some screen protectors laying around somewhere for this guy, and I do have a clear case that's getting really old for my original LG V20. So yeah, be putting on a case on this one as well. Let's see how much battery juice is in here. There are no, well, there's the AT&T startup. There are no scratches whatsoever on this display. We got dust on display. There's no imperfections that I can see anywhere whatsoever. Oh, 15%. Okay, so I'm gonna have to plug her in. Very nice. So all I have to do is do that and let it charge up. V20. Very nice. Okay, let me pull it over here. I'm gonna swipe up. No SIM card. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna clear out everything, factory reset, because that's where it should have actually gone to. So just to be safe, I'm gonna do a factory reset, but you know, it's pretty smooth. It's really smooth. I went ahead and unplugged it for the rest of this video. It's not going to be too long. But the one thing I am noticing is how beautiful this display is. On my V20 T-Mobile variant here, massive amounts of burn-in over time that started to develop. But I don't see that here with this AT&T unlocked V20, and that is a good sign. I am going to still do the factory reset, but I wanted to go into T-Mobile, and we'll go to one of my videos here. Volume rocker, speaker, USB Type-C, mic, headphone jack, power button right there in your cameras. Rotation. Looks really good. All right, everybody, I'll give you an update later, but here's my backup V20 to eventually take the spot of my T-Mobile V20. It's a champ. Been a definite champ. Powerhouse device. Creates content like wow. For those of you that have the V20 and you use it to create content, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, God bless. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out. Bam.